My name's George Twine. I'm a maintenance apprentice in my second year. I've been with the company just over 18 months now. I'm studying a university degree alongside my course, which is 4 years long, so I day release to university. I study in mechanical engineering and I learn things such as mathematics, control and instrumentation, materials, which is really good because it links in well with what I do at work day to day. So for example, our control systems are our turntable, our hangers, our conveyor belt. So it's great to see all the things I learned at university and link that in with my day-to-day job. So what attracted me to Rolls-Royce Motor Cars was the opportunity to be able to work with some of the best engineers out in the industry, also to help support all of the bespoke equipment we have, such as 3D printers, engravers, big cutters. It really is quite amazing to help support those things that help build the car. The bit that has surprised me the most about the apprenticeship is the support that we receive from both our home departments as well as the training teams. If we ever need anything, there is always somebody to talk to. There's always somebody there for you that will help you with what you need. So on a day-to-day basis, me and my team, we help support the production line. So things like the turntable, the hangers that carry the car, we maintain them, we make sure they run smoothly. And if there is any issues, then we rectify that. So the production line can keep on running and we can keep building amazing cars. What inspires me the most is to be able to have an input and have an input in projects to make it the best it can be. It's really good for me. It builds my confidence. It's just great to see work that I do actually get put in place in the line. So the social side is great here at Rolls-Royce. Personally, I lead the Apprentice Newsletter here. So I get to be in contact with the other sites of BMW and the apprentices. We build a newsletter together. But also coming in September, there will be a new apprentice network. So it gives the opportunity for apprentices to get together, to network, to build together and just meet new people. An apprenticeship can be for anybody. You don't have to have an interest in cars, but a passion is what you need. If you've got a passion, then you can go absolutely anywhere you want to.